Oh yeah, baby! Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. Man, it's hot out here today, Chef. Let me tell you what. I was trying to put together a little bit something there that I could fix for this evening. And I couldn't figure anything out. And hey, look, everybody right now, they're tired of ordering out and all this other stuff. Well, I don't do that kind of thing. I make the stuff up myself. I do it myself. Anyway, today I'm making some pistolette with Boudins. Boudin Pistolettes. Let me tell you what, I grill that Boudin. Make a little hole in that pistolette with my little corer. Once I get my corer in there, boy, it's twisting and twisting, and I got a hole all of a sudden on the other side. I shove that Boudin there. You think that's it? No. I get another pistolette. Do the same thing. Shove it on the other side. You'll see what I'm talking about. Anyway, the Chef Bourque, hey, let me put that on for you so we can see what's going on, Chef. And I'll talk with you after a while. Oh yeah, baby. Hey, look, in a couple of weeks, I got my own mask coming in. You might want to see them masks. I got my mugs in, my coffee mugs. Oh yeah, it's all good, Chad, but I'll show you all that. Hey, let's get busy. I got to cook. All right, here's what I do. See that little pistolette? Got my little core right here. Look here. Push that son of a gun in real easy now. Twist, 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 twist. Twist, 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 twist. Oh yeah, you ought to sing my song. Twist, 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 twist. Let's do the twist. Look at here. Look at here. Come out the other side, Jack. Oh yeah. Gotta find something to do with that little piece of bread though. All right. Now, see that hole I got in there? Huh? That's the thing right there, Jack. That's where you want to put your little Boudin, right in there. Oh yeah. That'll do it. Whoa, losing some of that bread, but that's all right. That Boudin gonna fill that little hole up. Anyway, let's get going. Right. First thing I want to do is put me a couple of pistolettes on here, but put them on the side. I'm not gonna put them right on top of that heat. Put my Boudin right there, Shaq, because I'm going to grill me some Boudin right now. And it's just a matter of time. Just takes a little time. Just got to let it cook. Want to roll it over a little bit. You don't want it to stick. But you do want it to get that skin a little bit crispy. See them pistolettes starting to get brown at the bottom? It's a good deal. All right, that Boudin is ready, Shay. You can see a little rice. So, what I'm gonna do, one pistolette on there. Oh yeah, got the other one on there. Doing good, looking good. I'm gonna flip over, baby. I mean, that is awesome. You can either serve them just like they are right here, which is what I do. And if you can't eat two, a lot of people just cut them right there in the center and just they each take half. Oh, I tell you, it's hot today, Chef, hot today. Hey, look here. My little Boudin Pistolettes, now that you know how to make them. Make them. Make them for the kids, make them for the family. You talk about good. Ooh, hot. I want to let them cool off before you serve them babies. Hey, this is Chef Bourque. I'm going to talk with you later, Chef. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like me. Oh yeah, baby. Hot dang. Man, this stuff is too good. Ooh, boy, I took a bite. What's my beer? Don't forget to subscribe and you got your thumbs up. Oh yeah.